Welcome to our channel. Drawing and coloring a big tree sketch today. Take out the black marker. Start with the trunk and branches. Then draw the circle texture. Draw some dotted lines to represent the bark. Then draw the shape of the leaves of the tree. At the bottom we draw some grass. On the tree we draw some flowers. Now the simple graph is finished. Let's do some roughing. Woo! We're done. Now let's get some color. Light brown. Brown, dark brown, orange, orange, light green leaves. Rose, pink, flesh color, orange, red, rose, orange, pink, yellow, dark green, dark green, is done. It's beautiful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.